Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my YouTube
What's
channel,
up?
the Gardening Paradise. Gardening is my hobby. I love gardening, so I have a beautiful little garden in my house. There are many kinds of plants I have planted in my garden. It has a variety of flowers such as roses, daisies, jasmine, and the queen of the night, lily, etc. The colors of the flowers make the garden more beautiful. Butterflies, however, ground the flowers. These flowers make my garden colorful and beautiful with their best for fragrance. The fragrance of the queen of the night make a night beautiful, charming, and attractive. I also have variety of vegetables and fruits in my garden, such as a tomato, peppers, mangoes, oranges, etc. We enjoy fresh fruits and vegetables. There is great in one part of the garden. This garden is very beautiful. I have a big and beautiful front of my house. There are many beautiful flowers in my garden, like roses, orchid lilies. My garden has all type of plants, some trees. My grandfather and I watered the plants. See greenery. Greenery is very awesome part of see the eyes, see our eyes. I have a big beautiful garden and beautiful butterflies over our these flowers. Gardening is a branch of horticulture, and gardening is also considered as the therapy that helps us our body in increasing the happy harmful level. Gardening help us to grow the vegetables that are sufficient for our need. Gardening includes it demand depend and thanks for watching.